Ishawna dares Bounty Killer and Beenie Man to do a diss song aimed at her. The feud between Ishawna and Bounty Killer just get escalated, and now Beenie Man has been added to the mix as they both took turns to insult her while performing at Meca JA. In a video clip circulating, Bounty Killer starts the performance by saying, "Beenie, you know me no clash with gal, but true, sometimes the wrong thing is the right thing. Sometimes being humble is hard." He then proceeded to do a diss song aimed at Ishawna, whereby he recalled the event of her recent performance at Sunfest and warned her not to mix him in those kind of freaky settings. Beenie Man was seemingly amused by Killer's comment, and he could be seen laughing and wrapping one of his arms around him. He then went on to take a jab at Ishawna also by commanding the crowd to complete his lines of the words, "She fi dead. Ishawna no fi sick. She no fi catch flu, and she no fi catch COVID," were the lines Beenie said, to which the crowd viciously responded.
Beenie, you know me no clash with y'all, but sure. See, you know me business, you get clap you. See, the number freaky intentions you have. What go eat that and I see it with your back. And we see you. Anything to say? I say she be dead. You ready? Ishawna of the seat. She be dead. Ishawna of the seat. She don't be sick. She don't be catch flu. She don't be catch COVID.
After the performance, the equal rights artist went live to address both entertainers. And in this, she dared them to go into the studio and voice a diss song aimed at her. "Don't go in a Meca and sing 4 lines. I dare you to do a song. I dare you to do a diss song. I dare you to clash Ishawna. Cause remember, Ishawna head no good. Nobody come feeling like this is a weak fence. What? True me a woman do that. You know usually clash gal. Clash me. I dare you," Ishawna said to Bounty Killer. She also went on to say that they need to remember that the cardboard stunt that she did was only for entertainment, and it was done to bring some energy to the crowd that seemed bored. Ishawna then proceeded to warn and reminded both veterans of how disrespectful she can be, and that they should expect the worst if they decide to sing a diss track for her. She also made mention of Merciless, a recently deceased dancehall artist who she said was the only one able to clash and win the two. "Me woulda love to have this under my belt. Tell them to go in at the studio now. I dare them," she said.
This was last night at Meca, and Killer say him perform song for me. Remember, I said girl just go do her song, go do her performance and sit down on a piece of cardboard. Me never think about a clash. But Killer, don't go in a Meca and go sing a little 4 line. I dare you for going to the studio. Don't go in a Meca. I dare you. I dare you. Yeah, I dare you. Go in the studio. Yeah. Would I love to have this under my belt. But I love to have that little something under my belt. I'm not ask. Tag Killer. Tell him some dare him. Share the live here. Tell him some dare him. I dare you. Don't go into Meca and sing 4 lines. I dare you to do a song. I dare you to do a diss song. I dare you to clash Ishawna. Come remember Ishawna head no good. Nobody come feel like it's a weak fence this. What you mean, woman? Don't do that. You know, usually clash gal, clash me. I dare you. No, not normal. Anyway, I'm not give them no more time. People, me that have to play this, you know. Cause remember, you know, my head not good, you know. And when me talk, you know, Avoc always create, you know. It's okay for everybody talk, but when Ishawna talk, a problem. I sit down on a piece of cardboard. Nothing wrong with that. Entertainment. Remember when you did board? I'm come nice up the place. Nothing wrong with that. But when you go say y'all do clash song now and you have right verse to me, no, we take it to a next level now. I have to defend myself now. Remember 5 years ago them trouble me, you know, I'm avoid them and I'm feel for to address them now. I beg me address you. I beg me sit down on the cardboard face. I beg. Can't do nothing about it. But if you go do song now, and you want clash Ishawna, go in the studio, nobody show no stone and go hide and come on Instagram and say you're growing and your growth. And your growth. You're not growth. Going to the studio, I dare you. I dare you. I dare you, killer. Anywho, enough about that. And next thing I want to address to, by the way, I was watching the video and I see Beenie Man. I don't understand how one girl, Ishawna, look how my uko, I create so much havoc. And them a bother me, you know. I'm supposed to sit down on the cardboard. It's a cardboard. Think about this now, people. Listen to this.
What's that shifting there? You ready? Ishawna off the seat. Ishawna off the seat. She off the seat. She off the catch flu. She off the catch flu. Ishawna off the seat.
Me not fi catch COVID, me for dead, and when me do I gotta send me for. Go in the studio, I dare you guys. I dare you. Look at festivities off a go on. And my girl always ready for anything, you know. Don't go into Meca. Don't go all across Jamaica and do no 4-line for girl. Don't do no 4-line for girl. Go into the studio. I dare you, killer. Cause my mama elephant, I'm not forget nothing, you know. My brain not normal, you know. My head not good, and I'm very disrespectful, you know. I got tear on the down and drag on, you know. Double bubble pan them nastiness, you know. If the two of them want it, them will get it now. Big up merciless now. You alone, me see, you know, rest in peace, you know. You alone, me say, done the two of them, you know. But I love to have this under my belt. Tell them for going to the studio now. I dare them.
So peeps, what do you think Bounty should have follow up Ishawna or should have just allow it? She said it was just for entertainment. So I'm not thinking should I just allow it. Why me think killer should allow it? Because I don't know really would I want to hear him doing this song and Ishawna response. What do you think? How do you think that would have go? Ishawna feels she could have clashed Bounty and beat him and win him, you know. What do you think? Comment below and tell me what you think, guys. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm out of here, but just a little humor for light up on a Friday.
Do we lie here? I'm looking for the queen.
I am the fucking queen of Marian.
Okay, queenie, I hear that you're a celebrity.
I am a celebrity.
Good, because you're being recorded for evidence.
Don't stop blood clot video cam. Me no care.
I know you don't care. That's why you beat up doing record it and put it out on the internet.
I mean put it on internet. I mean video you fucker, oh no.
Yes, you should take all the blame from you doing the order of restraint. A matter of fact, you should be ashamed.
Me don't shame, me don't lame. And me not take no blood clot blame.
Queen, just stop. You're acting mad right now.
Bad me blood clot bad. Me no sad. And me no man move on a dirty blood clot.